Hey everyone, welcome to Track and Tread. My name is Luke and today I'm going to be opening a new Hot Wheels car. It is Track Manga. I didn't mean to drop the car. So I have Track Manga here today, and maybe once I clean up downstairs because it's super messy, I can set up my 6-lane speedway and send it down the track and see how fast it can go. But let's open it up. Done. That was easy. So the Track Manga, it's, of course, as you see, it's red. Spoiler alert, that's a series because it's got a spoiler. And it looks really low to the ground. It's super low to the ground. And then there's also a special feature. You can push it up. And then again. Hopefully this is a better view. Up. Yeah. Down. This is a really cool car. I think that's why I chose it. But also today I got a Rubik's Cube. Not that I don't know how to solve it, but I'm pretty quick. So, yep. I think this car's really cool. It's got like fenders right here. If it didn't have these, it would just be like this, but on both sides. Yeah, I can't really do it, but alright. I think this car is really cool. I might even use it in my drag race that's over there today. I hope you like this video. Bye.